Ready to revolutionize your app by securely connecting to users' bank accounts? We'll guide you through integrating Plaid's powerful API, unlocking features like seamless payments and instant account verification. First, head over to Plaid.com and create a free developer account. This gives you access to Plaid's developer dashboard and test environment. Inside the dashboard, you'll find your API keys. These are crucial for authenticating your requests to Plaid. Treat these like passwords. Then, familiarize yourself with the Plaid documentation. It's your Bible for understanding the API endpoints and data structures. Now, let's start coding. Install the Plaid client library for your preferred programming language. Initialize the client with your API keys and environment settings. Be sure to use your sandbox keys for testing. Next, implement Plaid Link, a secure and customizable interface that allows users to connect their bank accounts. Use the link token to initiate the bank connection process. Customize the link flow with your app's branding and preferred settings. Once a user successfully links their account, Plaid provides a token that you can exchange for an access token. The access token is what you use to access the user's financial data, like account balances and transaction history. Store this securely. With Plaid integrated, you can now enable features like instant account verification for faster onboarding or build seamless payment experiences. Explore Plaid's extensive API to discover all the possibilities for your application. You can now leverage Plaid services to empower your users and build innovative financial solutions. Start developing your vision today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more app development tutorials.